So in this video, I'll show you step by step how to open backup WhatsApp files in Google Drive. So if you want to open the WhatsApp backup in Google Drive, let me show you if possible you can do it. So first up, after you open up the Google Drive like this one, so the first thing you should do, you click on this where it says My Drive. After you go to My Drive, so now you look at all the folders you have in the Google Drive. So if you scroll to down, you'll be able now to see among all your folders, there is no a specific folder that is the name WhatsApp or backup. Because when you back up your messages inside the Google Drive, the Google Drive encrypted those messages. You cannot see the messages by real, but the messages you can only see the messages when you are like logging in into your WhatsApp. So if you select the Gmail account that you use as your backup drive, so from there the messages will go back into your WhatsApp. That's the only way you can just follow. You cannot see the real messages inside the Google Drive. You can only see your messages while logging in into your Google Drive through the email address that you choose as your backup Google Drive in the WhatsApp. And that's it, guys.